of flour this.
Mm-hmm.
Let's add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and we whisk with our magic whisk. Okay, whisk it good. Let's all whisk together, set it aside. Let's all whisk together, set it aside. Add 2 sticks of softened butter. Come on, come on. First things first. Come, come, come. Come on. I'll just grab this one, okay?
Okay.
I want it. I'm gonna add 1 cup of white sugar. Sorry, why is this my pink cup? Whoa. And 1 cup of brown sugar. Where's it go? Whoa! And we mix. Next, we add 2 eggs. Plop. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Come on, come on. And we mix. That's excellent. There's that batter up. Air dry ingredients. I'm dumping it. I'm dumping it. I'm dumping it. Eggs.
Woo.
And 1 cup of chocolate chips. Here. Chopped Reese's peanut butter eggs. Keep going. Finally touch these. Mix. Whoa. That looks yummy. Gonna turn it off. Well, it's already formed. Mommy, I think it's already batter's all mixed together. Scoop it onto a cookie sheet. Whoa, this is the next. Whoa. Once you're on the cookie sheet, chop these peanut butter eggs. Every day's a sweet day. Mommy, every day's a sweet day.
Oh.
But every day, but snow days aren't.
Snow days aren't?
Yeah. I topped with Reese's peanut butter cup. Bake at 350 to 9 to 12 minutes until golden brown. Hey, Mommy, let's bake it. We have it allowed them to cool. Hey, Joy, can I eat this one?
Mm-hmm.